Want to cook something but don't have a kitchen scale? No worries. Today, I'll reveal ingenious ways to precisely measure common ingredients without a scale. First, let's tackle the dynamic duo of baking, flour and sugar. Your ultimate measuring wand here is a standard cup. For flour, a level cup is about 130 grams. Just lightly spoon the flour into the cup, then sweep a knife across to get that perfectly level surface. Don't pack it down. For granulated sugar, a level cup typically weighs around 200 grams. It's denser, so it holds more sweet magic per cup. For smaller amounts, your trusty tablespoons and teaspoons are truly universal enchantments. A tablespoon is roughly 15 milliliters, and a teaspoon is about 5 milliliters. Pure alchemy. Now for liquids like milk or water. Standard measuring cups with marked lines are your visual spellbook. But if you're really improvising, a quarter cup is about 4 tablespoons. Half a cup is about 8 tablespoons. 1 cup is about 16 tablespoons. These methods are surprisingly potent because most home recipes are crafted with these everyday measurements in mind. Unless you're performing molecular gastronomy, these techniques will deliver flawless results every time. Practice these visual cues, they'll become second nature. Always remember to level off dry ingredients with a straight edge for unwavering accuracy. There you have it. No scale? No problem. I hope these magical tips transform your kitchen adventures. Do you possess any secret measuring hacks? Share your culinary wisdom in the comments below. If this video cast a helpful spell, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more kitchen enchantments, and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking!